Welcome to week 10 of our daily Bible devotions. Last time we talked about the teleological argument, and this time we're going to continue with the argument on design, but this time it's going to be a little bit different. You see, last time we talked about the design of the universe, and there are two kinds of design: the design of the universe, and this whole week, we're going to talk about the design of life. And in the design of the universe, the anthropic constants that we discussed actually reveals the fine tuning of the universe. What does that mean? It means that the design of the universe is that it's as if it's fine tuned so that life would be possible, so that it would be habitable for human life here on earth. Now imagine a cell phone, okay? This cell phone was fine tuned so that it could make calls, so that it could send messages, so that apps can be here. The other week, I remember I was talking to a friend who is a software developer, an app developer, and he talked about how difficult it is to develop an app, how bugs usually develop, and how they're being asked again and again to fix those bugs, to tweak the app so that everything would work smoothly. See, the coding of the apps is difficult enough that it requires very skilled fine tuning so that it would work properly as intended. Now, we're just talking about a software app. How about a functioning cell phone? How about other machines? Now, that's just the universe, that's just Earth, making it habitable for humans. The kind of design that we're going to talk about this week is called intelligent design. The design of the universe shows the fine tuning of the universe. Now, the design of life shows that we are made with intelligent design. What does that mean? It means that when you look at the biological structures of cells, it would reveal that the intricacy of the design points to a designer, that we were made with intelligence. Isn't that amazing? If you think about it, our body is somehow equipped to fight viruses and bacteria. We have antibodies, we have resistance. That suggests intelligence. Up until now, no humanoid robot has been invented or made that can copy everything that humans can do. If great intelligence is required to create a humanoid robot, how much intelligence do you think is required to create a human being, to create animals? The teleological argument, as discussed last time, is as this. First, premise: every design had a designer. Second, the universe has a highly complex design. Third, conclusion: therefore, the universe had a designer. Now, we can tweak it a little bit so that it would fit the intelligent design that we're suggesting. The teleological argument for the design of life would go like this: every design had a designer. That's the first premise. Second premise: the biological structures show or reveal highly complex design. Therefore, conclusion: therefore, life had a designer. And it is revealed in cells, in DNA. We're going to spend the whole week talking about it. But what we need to understand again is that we're talking about this because we see patterns, we see design in the universe, in life, and when you see design, you can't just ignore the existence of a designer. I will read to you a passage from Exodus 39. Exodus 39, verse 1. From the blue and purple and scarlet yarns, they made finely woven garments for ministering in the holy place. They made the holy garments for Aaron, as the Lord had commanded Moses. He made the ephod of gold, blue and purple and scarlet yarns, and fine twined linen. And they hammered out gold leaf, and he cut it into threads to work into the blue and purple and the scarlet yarns, and into the fine twined linen, in skilled design. The word design was mentioned there. And If you can imagine the description in Exodus 39, you can imagine a great work of art. That great craft requires very skilled designer to produce a skilled design. Now we're just talking about artworks. I mentioned earlier about applications, softwares, machines. How much more? Cells, body systems, organs, the human body, animals. If you see pattern, if you see design, don't don't ignore that there is a designer. Let's meditate on that. How wonderful our body is, how wonderful life is, how we are designed to not just exist, we are designed to thrive, to prosper.